Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. And what I'm doing today is just making light snacks. So first I'm gonna chop a cucumber, set aside, and also this one, the iceberg lettuce. Okay, some of them I already chopped already, and then I used red onions this time, and also chicken. I already done the chicken. It was leftover last night, so I just don't like to throw away foods because we pay for it, don't we? We work hard, so I just don't like to wasting food. Anyway, this is very convenient and easy to make. So okay, I'll show you how to make easy light snacks. Okay. Again, I'm using this one. Just a tiny. It's up to you how many you want to put in the pan. For me, because the pan is already non-stick, so you don't need much. Then onions. Chicken. And black pepper. Just a little bit of salt, guys. Just a little bit. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, our chicken is already brown. So that's it. Okay guys, this is a salad dressing. So now I'm gonna put cheese. Why I cut this? Because I need to flip over later after all the ingredients or the salad, everything there. And then I slice, this is what you call it, brie. 3 pieces is enough. Okay. Okay guys, I put already the chicken. Okay, everything there now. Okay, this is how it goes. That's why I cut here so I can flip over the tortilla. Hi guys, please keep always stay tuned for my channel, and thank you for subscribing me, and to those who haven't subscribed me yet, please don't hesitate to subscribe me and I will do to yours. And thank you, sharing is caring.